Good morning, children. What date is it today? 21st of September. Okay. Now open your vocabulary books and write the new words. Tortoise, hare, winner, race. Сөз дәптерімізді ашып, жаңа сөздерді жазып аламыз. Okay, open your books, page 15. Listen and read.
The Hare and the Tortoise. The hare always laughs at the tortoise.
I'm faster than you,
Says the hare to the tortoise.
You're so slow. I'm the fastest animal of all.
All the animals are tired of listening to the hare. Then, one day, the tortoise says to the hare,
You like running. Let's have a race tomorrow.
The next day, when they start the race, the hare starts running very fast. Soon, he is far ahead of the tortoise. It's a very sunny day, and the hare is very hot.
Oh, good. A tree. I can rest under it.
A few hours later, the tortoise passes the sleeping hare. The tortoise passes the sleeping hare. Suddenly, the hare opens his eyes and looks around. He sees the tortoise at the finish line.
Huh?
The tortoise is the winner.
Oh.
The hare learns his lesson that day. The tortoise is the winner.
Oh.
The hare learns his lesson that day.
Keep on going and don't stop until you cross the finish line.
Ал балалар, бұл жерде біз өзіміздің түсінгенімізді әңгімелеп берейік, иә? Қоян мен тасбақа туралы. Бұл жарыста кім жеңді? Тасбақа ма әлде қоян ба? Және неге қоян жеңіліп қалды? Okay, children, answer the question. What value does the story teach? Slow and steady wins the race. If you want to succeed, we need to be patient and to keep on trying.